If your laptop does this, when you open it, stop using it like this.
See this part. This is the hinge. Most people ignore it when it starts getting tight, loose, or makes a cracking sound.
But over time, it can break the laptop body or damage the screen inside. If your laptop screen wobbles or the base lifts, when you open it, it's already happened. Don't force it. Early repair is simple, waiting makes it expensive. If your laptop is doing this, get it checked before it gets worse.
Remember, every device has a life, and F2 can save it.